In fact, me no me ho pa say me sorry ahomache 5:30 ko gina lie mu
ebusuamene wo ka say de asem aba abrante bi aba beto abonten say wonu ne ho pa yi so okoto aba edema the National Democratic Congress 20 friend say the NDC na o kire mu say de entia osori ahomache koto aba ma NDC no enya ade a enu NDC ba yi no ohun na ya roro sem ama ebusuamene wo ka say de amanfo edi na tema twetwe ne say na me na etu a oketa say ka kire wo say NDC ene John Dramani Mahama omo ye scam na wentie na ebusua Higher Ghana and Sem TV. I'm just a promise. Young got here some more branch here better one thing. Nevia, you have a dim come.
In fact, me no me ho pa say me sorry ahomache 5:30 ko gina lie mu ko to abade ma NDC. Me no me ho pa na ya to abama mu se mo be ya ade mfam boa oman na Honorable Sam George DSTV for na oni omo kontokwa DSTV and Sam George passed almost 5 months or 6 months in DSTV in oni omo kontokwa sisi anwa dane brand ambassador e de ama DSTV wona wo churchile DSTV mu wo advertise DSTV na Ghana ha nipa dodo send isu DSTV wo check your omo DSTV subscription so a nipa over 150,000 mu isu DSTV or Ghana ha na mo say emfa so ben na oman no enya wo DSTV ho Honorable Sam George emfa so ben na oman no enya wo DSTV ho ye wo communities e wo Ghana ha na mo say na they don't even have access to internet say ubenya network ye omu nibi school phone kwala bebere ho no mo they don't have access to internet. Now even according to UN say we a school ni and a student now you don't have access to internet now then you are far 25 years away from the world. 25 years far from the world. And they won't ho. You don't think about that one. Say a quite ben am so communities now they don't have access to internet no. Yeah, the internet be do ho na a facilitate in kwalane learning. Won dwene no ho. DSTV na oni omoko. DS in faso ben na DSTV no serve dem oman. Obi o DSTV na your choice. Te say wo kwa rent dan. Ye wo 300 or ho, ye wo 500 or ho, ye wo 1000 or ho. Obi mu kra de wo obi mu kra na mo de rent in Dallas. Enti say wo hwe wa ho den no na say 300 na wo kwakoje a and they woko Abokobi Pantai village ho no mo a wo benye bi 300 woko East Legon na ho no mo in Dallas enti na your choice and the Honorable Sam George or say woko market na prices ni nyina no wo no mo negotiate na enya one standard of price because your choice wo sika e na wo betre dia wo di sika ne beye nti nipa no wonya ne sika na ono so ope DSTV ahwe a ene oye na ne choice wo hu enioma o se ehu hia no Sam George enye no na wo ye even Ghana ha no mo say no ye wo local channels wo ha no mo nti se fine DSTV channels na ye betime nya ye local station bi na atwe channels ni bi eden e de ebegu so the whole Ghana blaster bobo Accra Sports Stadium GTV Sports Plus ntimi an yibo no e ma Ghana fo anya bi anhwe eno no de won dwene eno no ho instead say obema ye local channels no omama ye good content no enye na wo dwene ho na embom obi company e na Honorable Sam George oni omoko. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Wejai LGBTQ+ galamse asem na wo eya wo kan ye no Sam George we jaye no e na DSTV faso ben no man nya wo DSTV ho masa ejuma no hwe na wontumi nya fa ejuma ne to ho na obi obetimi aye ejuma no ombra no mbe ye ejuma no nipa bi sei na odidi na akufo ado atem somebody like this Now, who the dinner now for attempt? Posterity is judging you, Honorable Sam George.
First year 2 finance went here. I have quantiade. Na yen nyina yen him say answer na continue to for general elections no. Ye to Ghana for na dodo na for say NDC any political party ya e was say man be Ghana so biom. Especially wa abra mo de John Dramani Mahama. Obeka kire say Ghana for e was short memory. Na Ghana for enche na ye re fi asem no. Na sa person no enye nipa e was say de to me no e hye ne nsabiom. Nanso Ghana for ya so odin ene yampe no kurenti no isa go to abama de ma John Dramani Mahama e mind am na wo ka sei ye nyina ye bre e wo man ni mu a enye me nkwa na me bre won so wo bre. The funny thing is that how go to aduane a oduru ne pon to aduane ho na on busa wo say wo to abama political party A or political party B. They will not ask you that question. Yam busa wo say otu abama political party A and a political party B okwa we buta say o to sen uwi a u diska na betuaka. So we aya de o say o se no nso that's how obi hu ebufuo ekokoto aba. The time will come that you will face the problem alone. You will face the problem alone. And that's one of the mistakes a lot of people do. They think they are doing someone that not knowing that they are doing themselves. Omo feel say omo ye obi onim so ye no ho. Now we share video ya hwe ya say wonu no ho yiye pan say okoto abama NDC na osori ahomachi be 4 to 5 ekokọ sa line e dey line mu twen man no do no so man to ye ekọ ofie ko pen ekọ dware ye baaye na ko dware baaye no esa be gina ho twen ma ye to aba ne wie kenkan ye e me declare mo say John Dramani Mahama wini asa na okofie na wo baaye na wa hye ne bo say DSTV ube make sure say be reduce subscription price na my price na then aba from. That's what you told them, that you were going to work with DSTV and make sure say the subscription price no aba from. At the end of the day no, it is not what happened. Name the happy and say the subscription price no is still the same, but or catch you say he's giving you value in money. That is not what it's exactly you said you were going to do. That is number one. Number two, so you do DSTV and I go TV and answer multi choice on product BR. Unim say DSTV is a promotion way na ade omo ye. That they are all no man yes some joy dey baby aba. They are dey omo ye. And everyone who used to DSTV ni be dey dance or comment them say what I'm saying no. No correct. Aya ade omo ye e wo Ghana hanum say. Me used to go TV. And they have been doing this. And you say some George and I obi and I'm on my thing on my ye idea on my thing on ye. Second, some George episode today say ye ninja because me say me to benku me pe nkruma and I'm sika beso me nka say me pese me to aponchine fish ka ho benku ene nkruma na me pese me to se me pe akoko nam ni we ameto aka o si there bi o de me to benku nkruma 20 na mo be chima akoko nam ache me beef me nka say me pa akoko nam ni beef me nka say me pa akoko nam any beef. That is what you need. And unti the me pe no and na was say anya dia wo pe dia me na me customer no me na me say we na me pay. I didn't now force me a search engine try as away no. I say buy one get one free. Buy one get one free. And as I'm judging in the end this no more. Buy one get one free. But that's not what you promised us.
Based on the outcome of the 2024 elections, would you say the popularity as against the viability of his candidature, he will still be a viable option or alternative?
Based on everything you have just said, I can say without any equivocation that the next president of the Republic of Ghana will be His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. That is also because he has I've just told you, if he's coming, it's like Mike Tyson coming out against Bukom Banku.
And yet he was just accusing Martin of playing God.
I'm also telling you this. And the NDC is now, he made something. Here, when Aliu Mahama did not win the NDC, you know what happened? NDC went out and said that in their party, they have a tradition of elected vice presidential candidates.
So you had indicated that Martin Kpebu was almost playing God. I think this emphatic statement
I'm telling you about, I'm playing statistic. I'm playing statistic.